Okay, several people tell me they don't have time to actually sit down and machine quilt, and they don't want to machine quilt because it's hard to drag the quilt through the machine by themselves. So this is the hand tacking technique. My mom did it years ago. She still does when she quilts. So I thought I would show you guys how to do it in case anyone wants to take on quilting but doesn't want to machine quilt. So you run some yarn through a yarn darner needle, and I try to go in the corners, and you just go through all layers and back up, pull your yarn through, and then do the next one. I'll do 3 or 4 to show you how to do it. But basically you're just running the yarn or the needle through all layers and pulling the yarn. Okay, that's 4. I'll stop there to show you. Now you just take your scissors and you clip your strings and you tie in a knot. I usually try to do a double knot just to extra security there. And then I just clip my strings off even. And that's how you hand tack a quilt. Oh, let me move this. And you can see I use knit for the back of this, but if you smooth it out, it is even. But you can see it pulls it through. And I'm self-binding, so basically it's just a hem. You just pull it up, fold it over, and stitch.